Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Doordash app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Doordash app, or just click on search. Then here add Doordash app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store here. Then here you search for DoorDash app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.